Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about the blend tool, and I was kind of playing around, and I thought I've never made a video on this. You can hold down the Alt key when you're blending with this blend tool right here. So grab on your item, hold down your Alt key. Well, you need to actually hold it down beforehand. And you can blend two objects. So hold down your Alt key, start blending, and you could blend in any which way. You could make, outlines of circles. Let's back up here and let's take the Alt button. So I'm just holding down the Alt button, but I'm holding it down before I start doing anything. So I'm going to hold down the Alt button and I'm going to try to draw a circle. Voila. Now, if you were going to blend along a circle, you could do that. But if you were going to just, trace a letter, like the letter S, let's say, hold down the Alt key and just draw an S. And then you could still change the amount of blends, how many blends you have. So anyway, that's holding down the Alt key. Kind of gives you a freehand blend. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.